Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Wineinger Racing. Today is going to be a quick project. At least I hope it's quick. I'm on the C10 again, and today I'm going to be removing the dashboard. On an old truck like this, you might think it's easy to do, but there is about 26 spot welds all along here that I have to remove. And inside the truck, inside here, there are 3 half-inch bolts on each side. So I'm going to get to drilling out some spot welds, and hopefully this dashboard comes out. Now they do have drill bits to remove spot welds, but I don't have those, so I'm going to just use regular old drill bits. Using a smaller drill bit just to make a mark for the bigger one. Now that I put a mark in those spot welds, I'm going to take out these bolts and see if this dashboard wants to move at all. Inside the dashboard, here are the bolts that I was talking about. One right there, that's the second, and way up here is the third. And that is on both sides. I think I'm going to have to drill those out more. Then I'm going to get this other side out and then go at the spot welds again. Well, looky there, guys. With a little persuasion, she'll come right out. And cut this wire. Don't need this where we're going. And yeah. Alright, guys. Now the dash is out. My dad can make up the bars that go down here. And yeah, it was a little barbaric, but that's how you got to be with these old trucks sometimes. But the dash is out. Well, that's it for today, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. There's plenty more to be done on this old C10.